Dear colleagues, it is July 18th, 145th day of Ukraine's resistance against Russia's aggression. With us, my name is Natalia Starapra. We're starting briefings with Media Center Ukraine. With us is Piet Ploeg, head of the Air Crash MH17 Foundation. Hello, sir. I would like to start with a question. It's been 80 years since the tragedy and the investigation of the crash. How is the case, how is the investigation continuing today?
There is still an investigation going on, and in the end, here we will hear more about. And of course, still going on. The trial to the four suspects still going on.
Не знаємо ж. Безперечно, ми ще не знаємо. Sorry, sir. Could you repeat again, or could you go on, please? We had some connection.
Okay, the trial is going on, and in
Розслідування продовжується.
court will give a verdict,
І
and
в листопаді-грудні
besides
буде
this,
вирок
still
суду, рішення
an
суду.
investigation going on of the joint investigation team into other possible suspects. We'll expect to hear more about it
Ми сподіваємося більше
at
почути
the end
про
of this
це
year.
наприкінці року. We know that Netherlands and the families of the victims have have filed a suit against Russia. What is the fate of those suits, of those cases at the moment?
Yeah, there are two complaints filed with the European Court of Human Rights. That's still pending. The Netherlands have also filed a complaint against the European Court of Human Rights. And the European Court has to decide about the admissibility of these complaints, so we have to wait for that. After the court decides to these complaints, they will first handle the interstate complaints of our government and Ukraine's government. After that, complaints of the 480 next of kin will be handled by the European Court. So that can take years and years.
Багато років, ще не один рік. The Russians have been spreading a lot of inaccurate information, fakes, propaganda about this disaster. How do you feel the impact of Russian propaganda in Europe at the moment?
It's the disinformation is going on for years now.
Dezinformація продовжується
the first days after the crash, there were more than 100,000 fake is posted by troll factories in Moscow and Petersburg. It didn't stop until this day. There is disinformation from the Russian government about who's guilty. They are blaming Russia. They are blaming about, I think, the whole world except Russia. And we have to deal with it. I follow news, I follow all the tweets and the disinformation, but I don't care. An independent court has to make a decision. The European Court of Human Rights has to make a decision, and also the ICAO has to make a decision, and we have trusted these organizations, not in Russia.
Ми покладаємося на ці організації, на Росію. You personally felt the pain of this tragedy. Could you tell us about something about the feelings of the families, of the kin of those who died? How is the tragedy commemorated today?
Yeah, there was commemoration at the National Monument MH17 in the Netherlands. There were about 500 there. There's still a lot of grief and sadness among the next of kin. And it's very difficult for them also because of the war in Ukraine. I always say the 298 victims of
Я завжди кажу, що
MH17 were in
298
fact the first
жертв рейсу були фактично
non-Ukrainian victims
першими
of a war that started
неукраїнцями, які
8 years
загинули на війні, яка
and
почалася 8 років тому.
next of kin can feel
І
that very,
їхні
very
родичі
well.
це дуже гостро відчувають.
Yesterday we had a moving and
Вчора
emotional commemoration
було
with
дуже така
about
зворушлива
500
церемонія
kin.
пам'яті
And
з приблизно
it was a
500
beautiful commemoration. All
членів
298
родин.
names are read.
Була дуже
But you know,
гарна
there's
церемонія.
still a lot of grief
Але
among
так,
the next
звичайно,
of
є
kin.
ще
Yeah,
дуже
absolutely.
багато смутку, дуже багато горя серед найближчих родин. I will, of course, remind that it's been 8 years since the air raid and since the air crash and since the start of the investigation. What questions remain for you that you have not had answers to?
We had a lot of answers until now.
Відповідей вже було багато,
But
але
in the end, first the court has to decide if the answers of the questions are the right answer. You know, the court has to answer, have to give an answer on 3 questions.
суди мусять
Was it a book system and where did it came from?
Чи це був бук, звідки
Was the
цей
book
бук
system
взявся, ця
fired
система
from
бук?
a location in Pervomaisk? And
Чи стріляли ним
are the 4
з
suspects,
розміщення з
are they guilty
Первомайська?
or not?
І ці 4 підозрюваних, чи вони винні, чи
So
ні?
we are waiting for the answers of
І
these
ми
questions.
очікуємо на
But
відповіді
we
на ці
also want to
питання, але
know
також хочемо
who
знати,
was in the end responsible for providing the book system,
зрештою,
and
остаточно
that may go
відповідальний
into
у
the
наданні
Kremlin.
цієї системи.
And we want to know who pushed
І
the
ми хочемо
button.
знати,
And
хто
these
натиснув на
questions are
спусковий
still
механізм.
unanswered, and
І на ці
joint investigation
на ці
team
питання відповіді ще
is
немає,
investigating this,
і
but it seems to be a
розслідування
very difficult
продовжується, але
investigation.
розслідування дуже складне. Thank you very much. With us was Piet Ploeg, head of the MH17 Crash Foundation. At 2 o'clock, we'll be talking to Yuri Ignatov, Speaker of the Air Force of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. Please stay with us. Thank you, sir.